Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve day 24 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. So today I am going to solve problem number 1137 and Tribonacci number. Okay, so this is a easy level problem. So in this problem we have given one sequence in which our first term is 0, our second term is 1 and our third term is 1. And our next term will be the combination of the sum of all the previous three terms. Okay, so here if I say that my term 0, I am denoting A as my first number, B as my second number and C as my third number. So okay, so this is T0, T1, T2. Okay, so here we know our first term is 0, second term is 1 and third term is 1. Okay, A, B, C. Okay, so now T3 is nothing but the combination of previous three terms. Okay, so T3 is nothing but the summation of previous three terms. So previous three terms, what are the previous three terms for T3? So previous three terms are T0, T1 and T2. Okay, so A plus B plus C, 0 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, so this is how I am going to calculate T3. Okay, so see in this example, T3 is equal to 2. Okay, now how I am going to calculate T4? So T4 is nothing but the combination of term 1, term 2 and term 3. Okay, so now I am representing T1 as A, T2 as B and T3 as C. Okay, I have updated A, B, C. Okay, here, and now 1 plus 1 plus 2 is nothing but 4. Okay, so here this is how I am getting my output as 4 when my n is equal to 4. Okay, so this is what we need to return. So this question is very simple. So here let's first write the basic things. Okay, so we know if my n is equal to 0, then in that case I have to just simply return 0. Okay, so this we know already, right? Then we have to just return 0 because we know our first number, second number and third number, right? And if my n is equal to 1 or my n is equal to 2, then in that case I have to just return 1, right? See here, we know this already. T1 is equal to 1 and T2 is equal to 1. Okay, so if my n is equal to 1 or n is equal to 2, then in that case I have to just return 1. Okay, this is done. Now let's denote our first number as A. So A is denoting nothing but my first term. Okay, so here I am writing it A is equal to 0 and my second number is nothing but 1, right? We know this, right? T1 is equal to 1. This is my second number. And what is my third number? So I am denoting it by C. So C is nothing but 1. Okay, so we know that if my n is equal to 0, then we have to return 0. If my n is equal to 1 or 2, then we have to return 1. Okay, so now let's create one variable int start. Okay, and give this value as 3. Okay, so I am denoting my start as 3. Okay, so now from here let's call one helper method. Okay, return helper. In this helper just pass n. What is my start? Okay, and A, B, C. Okay, three values. Okay, first number, second number, third number. Okay, now let's define the helper method. Okay, so public int helper. Okay, so in this pass n int start and then pass first number, second number and third number. Okay, so now tell me if my n is equal to start. Okay, so let's say my number is equal to 3. Okay, my n, and I have to calculate n as 3. Okay, so when my n is equal to 3 and my start is also 3, so both are matching right now. Okay, if my n is equal to start, so here I am just returning. Okay, so this is going to be just one base condition. Here I am returning previous first number, second number and then third number, right? And if in case my n is equal to 4, then definitely this statement will not execute, right? If my n is equal to 4 and my start is equal to 3, then what I'm going to do? So then in that case I have to just calculate my third term. Okay, so see here, I know that this B is going to become A for the next step and this C is going to become B in the next step. What is my C? So C is nothing but the summation of previous three values, right? So here I am writing int sum is equal to A plus B plus C. Okay, so I have calculated now the sum. Okay, sum of previous three terms. Okay, now just increment the start. Okay, I have incremented start. Okay, next time my start will become 4, right? So here I am again going to return my helper method, and in the helper method this time I am going to pass same n. Okay, now my start is 4. Okay, now my start will become 4 because I have incremented it, and now my B will become A, right? So here instead of A I am passing B here, and my B will become C. Okay, so now my A will become B and B will become C. So here I am writing C, and what is my C this time? My C is this time is the nothing but the summation of A plus B plus C. So here I am just passing sum, right? So I hope that you guys are clear. Now let's run it and see if there are any code issues with our code. So see, all the test cases has been accepted, right? So now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted and runtime is also very good, 0 milliseconds, and it beats 100% of users of the Java. So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. And if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.